So I wrote this song here. And the next question is, what genre is this song? And what tags would fit to it best? Let's have a look. Click at Analyze. And it is goth rock. And the tags are here. Hello my friends. I've been a bit quiet in the last weeks because I was busy to develop this tool here, a song genre detector. First things first, the tool is freeware and open source under an MIT license. You can find it on GitHub. Here we go, here's the GitHub page. As a musician, myself, I often had the problem writing a song and being absolutely unsure what genre it actually was, since the borders are fluid. And when you release a song on the usual platforms, they also ask for specific tags. I was unhappy with that situation because I was always unsure which ones to use. So I fired up ChatGPT and just for fun asked it, hey, how can this be done? And before I counted to 3, I was deep into the matter and started developing this tool here. The base code itself was surprisingly quickly developed and functional within 2 days. The time-consuming part was then the model and all the finishing touches. Let's first clear it. The software itself is pretty simple. You drag your audio file into the drop zone here, click Analyze, wait a few moments, and you get an estimated result with a nice chart at the bottom. Note that the first one is a bit slower than this here. This was really an eye blink. The first run can take a few seconds. You can analyze a single song or several songs at once. You can also drag several songs at once into the list and analyze them. With multiple songs at once, the chart at the bottom first shows an estimated result for all songs at once, altogether. And you can also pick single files. And then you get the result for this single song here. Let's clear it and turn off the tags. You can append to the list by Browse button. Here I can now append these songs. And the first song remains. Over here you can turn on the tag cloud. Oh, first need to analyze here. Over here you can turn on or off the tag cloud. Here we have the theming. We have a bright theme and a dark theme. Tag cloud on. This list is not dynamic. I wasn't able to find a proper AI solution for this yet, but it is based on the genres. When some genres are close to each other, you might notice that some of the songs have more tags than others. When the result is more close to each other, let's pick this one. This was a better example here. When they are close to each other, then the first subgenres gets merged into the result here. In case you want to, you can hand-edit the list of genres. We have here the tag cloud Python file in the folder. And when you open it up, then you can see that every subgenre has the tags in the same line here. Be careful, make sure that the file remains valid and the formatting stays intact. A little warning, most of the time the AI is pretty close, but it is AI and especially genre classification is really hard, even for humans. So always be skeptical on the result. So far every result has been somehow fitting for me. This is the Sex Pistols and one of the songs is alternative rock and the third point is punk. Yeah, it still fits somehow. It is definitely rock. Now to the technical details. The tool is Windows only. The UI of SGD Song genre detector is made with Gradio. Under the hood it uses PyTorch and Python. And as the AI solution, a model called Maest. I tried to use a self-trained model, but it did not work out. Maest gives simply the best result so far, and does a great job here, as you can see. It has a caveat though. The model is under a non-commercial license, CC BY, so you are not allowed to use it in a commercial environment. The tax, however, comes from me, There is no patent on genre names, so you are allowed to use them however you want. Installation is easy. Download the zip file, extract it, enter the folder and have a look for the start.bat. It is CPU or CUDA. Double-click it, the console will open up, and install everything. Wait for the download to finish. Be patient. This can take a while depending on the version. The CPU version here downloads around 2 GB and the CUDA version downloads 6 GB. Once everything is downloaded and installed, a browser window with the tool will open automatically. The download is a one-time action. The next startup is much faster. Removing it is as simple as installing it. Simply delete the whole folder. It is a portable version that runs in a virtual environment, and everything is in this folder. So when you want to delete the tool, simply remove the folder and done. I think we are through. It is a really simple tool. If you stumble across any bugs, please report them on GitHub. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and have fun with the tool.